Charging is one of the areas where we at Volvo Trucks receive a lot of questions from our customers. Let's see what we can do in order to support you in your journey towards an electric future. There are three essential parts of establishing a charging solution. The first one, you need to evaluate your charging need in order to see how much and where you need to put your chargers. The second step is the establishment of the charging solution. Complexity of this step is very dependent on how many chargers you wish to install. Volvo Trucks have the partners necessary to aid you in getting all these things in place. The third step is the establishment of an operational concept for the charging solution. As reliable charging is very important for every electric truck operation, we tailor an uptime setup for each specific customer. There are unfortunately too few public charging points for heavy-duty vehicles on the road today. This is why Volvo has teamed up with Traton and Daimler to establish 1,700 charging locations all over Europe. This will be a great starting point in making sure that you will have access to charging wherever you go. One of our good customer cases is DHL operation in Sweden. By recharging one time during the driving shift, they reach distances of up to 450 km every day. Our heavy-duty electric vehicles have a range of up to 300 km. Adding a recharging session, for example during a lunch break, will increase this to up to 500 km. You should not fear to be left alone. Volvo Trucks will support you in your electrification journey, including the charging solution. Volvo Trucks is on a journey towards zero. Private and public charging are very important parts of this. We will hold your hand and make sure that you get a pleasant experience in addressing these topics. If you want to join us, please contact your dealer.